So hey guys, what's up? This is Himanshu. So guys, recently I am getting a lot of comments that many people want to learn web designing, many people want to create a site for themselves or for their client, many people want to learn digital marketing or they want to launch their own business. Okay, but they are getting stuck at the first point only, that is how to buy hosting and domain and how to set up website upon that. That's why I'm creating this video, because here I'm gonna buy a website live with you and I'm gonna show you step by step that how you can buy domain, how you can buy hosting, and how you can set up WordPress upon that. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so guys, if you want to buy hosting and domain, there are many service providers in the market like Hostinger, Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, etc. Okay, but I would recommend you to go with Hostinger because I have been using Hostinger for last 2 years and I think Hostinger gives the best price to performance ratio. It has a very good uptime speed, very good support, and also it offers you 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so if you want to buy Hostinger, let's just go to your URL and write here hihimanshu.com/hostinger, or just click on the first link in the description. So you'll end up to some similar page here. Just click on this start now button. Now here it is saying that they have 3 options here. Okay, single web hosting, premium, and business. So it basically depends upon your budget, what you can afford, but I would recommend you to go for this best value plan, which is premium web hosting. Okay, because here you can see you can host almost 100 sites upon this web hosting. So basically you should not host 100 websites, it's just for the marketing purpose. I think 2 or 3 sites are enough. Now they give you 100 GB SSD storage. Also they can handle around 25k visit monthly, and they also give you free email, free SSL, and the best part is that they give you free .com domain as well. Okay, and then if you scroll down, you can see here they have a 30 days money back guarantee as well. Just click on this see all features and click on this add to cart. Alright, so now if you are beginner, you should go for either 12 months or 24 months. So I would recommend you to go for a year first. So just click here for 12 months and then you scroll down, and here you can see it's asking to choose a domain, and the domain is absolutely free. Then you just go here and choose a .com domain. It depends upon the type of site you are making, but .com is the universal one. And just choose any domain you want and just click on search. Okay, so the domain is available and it's costing me 0 rupees per year. Okay, now just scroll up and you can see here the price. So basically I am getting my hosting for a year only for I think 3000. Okay, and the taxes are 500. So I think it's the best offer for now. Just click on this checkout button and now they will ask you to log in. So just log in to the Google, and after that you can pay with any option, like they have a UPI payment, debit card payment, credit card payment, Paytm payment, even they have a PayPal option as well. Okay, just choose any of the payment option and just buy the hosting and domain. Alright, so once the payment is done, you will get 2 messages, one for the payment confirmation and the other for the control panel. Just click on the control panel button and you will be redirected to the Hostinger website. Alright, now we need to set up our premium web hosting, our SSL, and the domain. So let's start with domain registration. Just click on that setup button and you will be redirected to a page. So here they will ask for all the basic information like your name, phone number, email. They can also ask for some identification details as well. Just put all those and just click on finish. So I am fast forwarding it because it's a straightforward method. Here they will say that an email verification link has been sent to your email ID. Just go to your email and click on that verification link and you will come back to your Hostinger site again. And if by any chance you don't land up to this page, just click on the home button at the top and you'll come back to this page. So now our domain name is set up. So now let's set up our premium web hosting. Just click on the setup button at the top and you will end up to a new page. Just click on the start now button. Now here just click on choose a domain and choose the domain name which we bought and click on select. Now here they are saying that do you want to build a new site or do you want to migrate your existing site. Just click on the skip button below, don't select any option here. So here it's saying that at which place you want your server location to be. So ideally the place where you are targeting your server location should be nearest to that, but ideally this step is not that much important. So if you don't have any idea for now, just choose any country or any place and you can click on select, and now click on finish step. So it will take some time and finally your hosting would be set up. Just click on the manage site button and you will be redirected to the Hostinger cPanel, or they call it hPanel. So before going forward to this step, we have one more step left, that is setting our SSL. So here you can see our domain name is set up and our hosting is set up. Now let's set up the last thing, which is our SSL. Just click on this setup button here and just choose your site name and click on install SSL. So SSL basically means that your site is getting secured. Okay, so it basically changes your URL, that is from HTTP to HTTPS, and it's done. Just click on close. Alright, so finally we have set up our premium web hosting, our domain and our SSL. Now let's come to the last part of the video, which is setting up the WordPress upon our hosting. Okay, so for that click on the manage button on the hosting box. It will take you to the Hostinger hPanel. Now here just scroll down and click on the auto installer. Alright, now you can see this WordPress button, right? Just click on this WordPress option here. Now here it's an important step, just listen to me. So here at the drop down you need to choose HTTPS. Now here enter your site name. Now at the below you have a admin or administration username and the password. So this is the ID and password for your WordPress login panel. Okay, so you need to remember this ID and password, so enter it very carefully. After that you need to enter your email ID. Then here it's asking for your site title. So basically you can also edit your site title from your WordPress dashboard as well, but if you want to enter, you can enter here your site title as well. And then after entering all the important and the required field, just click on the install button below. Now it might take some time because it is setting up the complete WordPress on your hosting, so just hold on for a moment. And once the site is set up, then this pop-up might not go, so you need to click on close, just go up and just refresh the page. And then you can see here your site name has came. Okay, and just at the right side you can see the black color WordPress button. Just click on that and then just click on edit website, and you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. And if by chance you are not redirecting here, then you will get a pop-up like login panel. Okay, so there you need to enter the same ID and password which you chose while setting up your WordPress, and then click on login and you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. So finally guys, I've shown you practically how you can buy domain, how you can buy hosting, and how you can set up WordPress upon it. So I hope now you guys don't have any doubt regarding how to set up your site. And still, if you have any more query, just comment on below and I'll make sure to reply that. And guys, if you want to learn how to make a site upon WordPress, so I have a complete tutorial on my channel. Do check it out. And soon I'm gonna bring many more tutorials on this channel regarding WordPress web designing, regarding digital marketing, and regarding online money making. So stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Take care.